Hey there! Ever tried setting up your Elgato Cam Link only to encounter frustrating lag issues? Well, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Elgato Cam Link lag and ensure you get the smooth, high-quality streaming and recording experience that Elgato is known for. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting out, understanding these fixes can elevate your content creation game. Step 1. Check your USB port and cable. A faulty USB connection is often a key culprit when experiencing lag with your Elgato Cam Link. First, ensure that you are using a USB 3.0 port, as these provide the necessary bandwidth for high-definition video. USB 2.0 ports, despite being compatible, can introduce latency and diminish performance. Next, inspect your USB cable for any wear or damage. If in doubt, switch to a high-quality replacement to prevent any bottlenecks in data transfer. Remember, a reliable connection is the foundation for seamless video capture. Step 2. Optimize software settings. Tweaking software settings can dramatically impact Cam Link performance. Begin by opening the Elgato 4K Capture utility or any OBS software you're using. Set the video resolution and FPS to match the specifications of your recording device or camera. Often, adjusting these to 1080p at 30 frames per second can reduce strain on your system while maintaining crisp quality. Additionally, ensure your software and firmware are up to date for the latest fixes and enhancements. Consistent software optimization diminishes lag significantly. Step 3. Adjust system resources. Your computer's performance can contribute to Cam Link lag, especially if other applications are consuming resources. Close unnecessary programs running in the background to free up CPU and RAM, which are vital for smooth video processing. Having a dedicated computer for streaming can also aid by preventing resource competition. Moreover, adjusting your computer's power settings to high performance can allocate additional system resources to your Elgato Cam Link. Step 4. Check camera settings. Sometimes the issue lies not in the Cam Link itself, but in the camera settings. Ensure that your camera is configured to output clean HDMI and is set to the same resolution and frame rate as your capture settings. Disable unnecessary features such as autofocus or image stabilization, which can inadvertently trigger processing delays. Streamlining the camera's output helps in delivering consistent video feeds to your Elgato device. Step 5. Monitor internet connection. If you're streaming live, an unstable internet connection can manifest as lag during live broadcasts. Test your internet speed to make sure it meets the upload requirements for your desired streaming quality. Switching to a wired Ethernet connection from Wi-Fi can inherently improve stability. If issues persist, consider upgrading your internet plan or checking with your service provider to eliminate bandwidth concerns. Getting to grips with how to fix Elgato Cam Link lag can seem daunting at first, but with the right steps, you can ensure a lag-free experience. By checking your USB connections, optimizing your software, adjusting system resources, fine-tuning camera settings, and ensuring a robust internet connection, you'll be back to streaming and recording in no time. Remember, consistency and regular checks are key to maintaining a high-quality performance. Up your content game, enjoy seamless streams and recordings, and focus on what you do best, creating amazing content.